Welcome to DICloak. In this video, I'll introduce the RPA workflow for Facebook, browse and like Reels. First, go to the profile list and create a new profile. Here you can set the profile name. Configure a proxy. You can select a saved proxy or manually enter proxy information. Then, in fingerprint settings, choose the system you want to simulate. Click to expand more fingerprint settings and set the appropriate resolution and window size. For the browser kernel, I recommend choosing version 142 or 143. Scroll down to Advanced Settings. You can configure these as needed, they are not required. Finally, confirm the settings. Then open the profile you just created and log into your Facebook account. After successful login, close the profile. Your cookie information will be automatically saved. Now click Create RPA, find the Facebook, browse and like Reels template, and click Apply. First, select the profile you want to execute. Make sure your Facebook account in this profile is logged in. You can also select multiple profiles, and they will execute this RPA task sequentially. After confirming the addition, enter the task settings interface. Here you can set the like rule, such as like all videos, do not like, or random like. Then set the number of videos to browse. This determines how many real videos will be watched. Finally, set the browsing time per video. You can define a time range, and a random time within this range will be used. Next are the run rules. You can set a time limit. If the profile is not opened within this time, it will automatically close. Leaving it blank means no limit. The run mode is set to local. This means the RPA runs on your local computer. If you shut down or lock your device during execution, the task will fail. Next is the task type. You can choose from the following options. One time. Repeat multiple times with intervals and execution count settings. Or cyclic, which runs at a specific time each day within the date range you set. Finally, the execution method. You can start it manually or schedule a timer. These settings are saved automatically. Once configured, click Run Now to start the task immediately. In the live execution log, you can monitor the RPA's actions in real time. The RPA will automatically browse Facebook Reels and like videos during the process. When all tasks are completed, the profile will automatically close. You can then check the execution status of this RPA task in the run log. In the task history, you can also view task details and run it again later. That covers everything about the RPA, browse and like Facebook Reels. If you want to learn more or request custom RPA workflows, please contact DICloak support for further assistance.